the ABC Learning Lane, where learning is fun.
Cow. Cows live on farms because they make yummy milk for people to drink. They munch grass all day and help keep the fields nice and neat. Chicken. Chickens are farm friends who lay eggs for breakfast. They love to peck around the farmyard looking for tiny snacks. Pig. Pigs live on farms because they grow strong and healthy and help farmers by turning up the soil when they dig. They roll in mud to stay cool while they explore the barnyard. Horse. Horses help farmers by pulling carts and giving rides. They love trotting around open fields on the farm. Sheep. Sheep are fluffy farm helpers who grow wool that we can use to make warm clothes. They enjoy grazing together on grassy hills. Duck. Ducks waddle around farm ponds and lay eggs. They also eat pesky bugs that bother the plants. Goat. Goats live on farms because they make tasty milk and help keep the weeds away. They love to climb on anything they can find. Camel. Camels live on some farms and hot places and help carry loads for the farmers. Their humps help them go a long time without resting. Donkey. Donkeys are strong farm helpers who can carry things for the farmer. They guard other animals and keep everyone safe. Rooster. Roosters wake up the whole farm with their crowing. They guard the hens and keep the chicken coop safe. Llama. Llamas live on some farms to protect sheep and goats. They keep a close eye out and warn the farmer if something seems odd. Bee. Bees help farms by pollinating flowers, fruits, and veggies. Without bees, lots of farm foods couldn't grow. Yak. Yaks can live on cold, high-altitude farms and give farmers milk and soft hair. Their thick fur keeps them warm while they wander the pasture. Dog. Farm dogs herd sheep and cows and help the farmer watch over the animals. They are loyal buddies who keep the farm running smoothly. Mule. Mules live on farms because they are strong helpers who can carry and pull heavy loads. They work hard and stay steady on rough paths. Ostrich. Ostriches live on farms for their giant eggs and fluffy feathers. They love roaming wide open spaces with the other animals. Rabbit. Rabbits live on farms for their soft fur and sometimes for helping kids learn to take care of animals. They hop happily around their cozy hutches. Turkey. Turkeys like farms because there's plenty of space to strut around. They help farmers by eating insects in the fields. Bull. Bulls live on farms to help grow strong cattle families. They enjoy roaming the pasture and staying with the herd. Quail. Quails live on farms for their tiny eggs and gentle nature. They enjoy hiding in tall grasses around the fields. Emu. Emus live on some farms for their big eggs and strong legs. They help by eating pests and keeping the fields tidy. Calf. Calves are baby cows growing big and healthy to join the farm herd. They drink lots of milk and love running in the fields. Cat. Cats stay on farms to catch sneaky mice in the barns. They help keep the farmers' grain safe. Goose. Geese stay on farms to watch over the barnyard. They honk loudly when someone new walks by. Pony. Ponies are small farm horses perfect for giving children rides. They help pull tiny wagons and love gentle brushing. Ox. Oxen are big, strong farm helpers who pull plows and wagons. They move slowly but can work all day long. Guinea fowl. These noisy birds protect the farm by sounding alarms when strangers come near. They also eat bugs that bother crops. Water buffalo. Water buffalo help farmers by pulling heavy wagons and plows. They like cooling off in farm ponds after working. Hen. Hens lay eggs almost every day for the farm family. They cluck happily while they scratch the ground for food. Alpaca. Alpacas grow soft, warm fleece that farmers can use for clothing. They love living in peaceful farm fields with their herd. Wow! Great job, everyone! You've just learned all about 30 farm animals. That's amazing! If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time!